an illustration of Bresenham's line drawing algorithm for the line with endpoints 2010 to 3018. To start with the problem, first we'll have a look into the line drawing algorithm. Have a look at the step 3. We need to calculate the constants delta x, delta y, 2 delta y and 2 delta y minus delta x. So first we will calculate delta x. Delta x comes to be x2 minus x1. Here x2 is 30, x1 is 20. So it is 10. Then delta y is coming to be y2 minus y1. 18 minus 10. It will be 8. Then now we are calculating 2 delta y, that is 2 into 8, which is coming to be 16. And the next constant to be calculated is 2 delta y minus 2 delta x, that is 2 delta y minus 2 delta x is equal to 16 minus delta x is 10, so 2 delta x is 20 and it's coming to be minus 4. So we got all these constant values as referenced in the Bresenham's line drawing algorithm. Now we will calculate the first value of the decision parameter. That is, when k takes the value 0, we will calculate the initial decision parameter P0 as 2 delta y minus delta x. That is, we have 2 delta y as 16 and delta x is 10. So 16 minus 10, that comes to be 6. So we have calculated the first value of the decision parameter, initial decision parameter P0 as 6. Okay, we can fill this value in this, we can fill the value here. Okay. So k takes the value 0 and P0, Pk is P0, that value is 6. So we notice that this is a positive value. So the Bresenham's algorithm states that when Pk is positive, Pk otherwise, that is Pk is positive, the next point to plot is xk plus 1, yk plus 1. So we have started from the point 2010. So next point to plot will be 2111. Okay. So the next point will be 2111. Then now we will calculate for k is equal to 1. What will be the value of the decision parameter? So we take the case 1. Pk greater than 0. That is, here P0 is, this value is greater than 0. We need to choose this equation. For finding the pixel, it is a switching between these two equations. We need to check the sign of Pk. If it is positive, we will be choosing this equation. So in the first case, since Pk here was positive, we will be choosing the equation Pk plus 1 is equal to Pk plus 2 delta y minus 2 delta x. That is, P1 can be calculated as P0 plus 2 delta y minus 2 delta x. That is 6 plus 16 minus 20, which is coming to be 2. And that is also a positive value. Okay, we will write 2 here. And when Pk is a positive value, the next pixel to plot is xk plus 1, yk plus 1. So the next 2111, next will be 2212. Okay. So we can see that k is equal to 1 value also is positive. So now we will choose k is equal to 2. Okay. So k is equal to 2. When k becomes 2, what happens? Which equation to be chosen? The same equation, Pk plus, since it is positive, Pk plus 1 is equal to Pk plus 2 delta y minus 2 delta x. So it will be, this Pk was the P1 value, 2 plus 16 minus 20, and the value will be minus 2. So how I can write? So P2 will be, what was the value chosen? Minus 2. P2 value is minus 2. So when pk value is negative, the next pixel to be chosen is xk plus 1 yk. So what will be the next pixel position? It will be 23 yk. It will be 23 12. Okay. Then um, now we are moving to find k is equal to 3. When k is equal to 3, what happens? Since this pk value was negative, the equation to be chosen is not this equation. We will choose which equation? This one. Pk plus 1 is equal to pk plus 2 delta y. So we are going to choose that equation. So here how can I write? It will be pk plus 1 is equal to pk, that is minus 2 plus 2 delta y was 16 and it is coming to be 14 and that is a positive value. So here for P3 I am going to fill it as 14 and since it is a positive value, what will be the next pixel position to be chosen? Xk plus 1, yk plus 1. So I can write 24, 13. Okay. Similarly, I am going to calculate for k is equal to 4. Here also pk is greater than 0. The equation will be pk plus 1 is equal to pk plus 2 delta y minus 2 delta x. So it will be 14 plus 16 minus 20 and it is coming to be 10, which is again a positive value. Okay, let me fill the value of k is equal to 4. When k becomes 4, I am getting P4 as 10 and since it is a positive value, the next pixel position will be pk xk plus 1 yk plus 1. So I am getting the next pixel as 25 14. Similarly, next value I will be calculating for k is equal to 5. K is equal to 5. Again pk is greater than 0. So pk plus 1 is equal to pk plus 2 delta y minus 2 delta x. It is coming to be 6. And for the next value greater than 0, I am calculating in the same way. The value is coming to be 2. Okay, right. So for the one more I'll fill later. So the next value when pk becomes greater than 0. So this when k is equal to 7, pk is greater than 0. Pk plus 1 is equal to pk plus 2 delta y minus 2 delta x and it is coming to be a negative value. So the pixel position there will be xk plus 1 yk. And in the next time I need to choose the equation for negative value. Okay, I need to choose not this equation, the different equation. Which was the equation? In that case I need to choose this equation. Pk plus 1 is equal to pk plus 2 delta y minus 2 delta x. So I will be continuing like this and I am going to get the final pixel, all the pixel positions. So I had for pk is equal to 5, I had calculated the value as 6 and what will be the next positive? Since it is positive, what will be the next value? It will be 26 15 and I can see that next value was 2 calculated. So this is going to repeat from here, 2 minus 2 and so on. So it will be, next will be 6 and pk value will be 2 and you are going to get the pixel position as 27 16. And for the next case, when k is equal to 7, pk is going to be minus 2. You calculate all the values. K is going to be minus 2 and since this is negative, this will be xk plus 1 yk. So it will be 28 16. Okay, clear? So this will be 28 16. Since this is negative, there is no change for the y, no increment for the y value. Y value remains same. Here also Okay, we'll calculate the next value. When k is equal to 8, the value will be calculated pk value will be 14, and the next pixel to plot will be xk plus 1, yk plus 1. That will be 29, 17. Okay. So, and k takes the value, next value pk plus 1 becomes 9. Then the value for pk will be 10, and the next pixel will be 30, 18. Okay, we have reached. So the task was, our problem was to illustrate the Bresenham's line drawing algorithm for the line with endpoints 20, 10 to 30, 18. So we have got all the points till here, and we have finished our illustration. Hope you have understood. Thank you.